keep them deeply flowing like the currents in her ocean. My love's a potion. Though I am not the image she needs to keep up, I give her blood a rush because of my touch. She's in love with my lust. So she only graces you with her presence because I am not what the world taught her to be. I am a rebel going against this crazy society. They sigh at me, so to keep it quiet, it's best that we do things in hiding. Secretly, we are one. And though we were built on secrets and lies, it doesn't affect the way she feels because still, I am what she wants.
So I am what she needs.
I am what she wants.
I know I am what she needs because I can introduce her to the Diamond Club, but if she fall in love with these jokers, I have to cut her heart like a spade. No, I'm not trying to be Two-Faced. I just didn't plan on being the Dark Knight to Harley Quinn, where every move I make results in an L. I told her, stop trying to craft a pawn into a king when one is standing right beside you. See, I'm the one who understands her heart is a spitting image of a poker face, and I am the jack of all trades. So you need to straight flush these bluffers, darling. You can fold into my palms like a bad hand. Just let me take that chip off your shoulders because I will always be what she needs.
But I am what she wants.
No, I am what she needs.
I am what she wants. You are far from what she deserves. My words caress her curves, causing us to intertwine deep within. I'm the inspiration of the picture. You were painted just to blend. So when she strips off her clothes, she touches herself from the thought of me. Climaxing her mind, you see. Her body will always be mine because when you touch her, she closes her eyes and comes to me. I will always be what she wants.
No, I am what she needs.
I am what she wants.
I will forever be what she needs. She may come to you, but she be on her knees for me like I'm her new religion. I treat her insides like a temple of God. When I enter her golden gates, we are angels in bed sheets. We don't make love, we make heaven. I mean, we make love like I died and resurrected in her flesh. When you look at her, you will see my image. When she looks in the mirror, I am her reflection. And you are just a shadow, a backwash of a nightmare in the deepest part of her skin. And we are what dreams are made of.
She doesn't need a king to rule her body's temple.
Temple, you are just a dictator. I'm more of a deity. I bless her with my
No, you
presence.
test her. We bear the essentials needed to create life. We are your blessing.
You are just a myth, a conspiracy trying to become
I
true.
am what defines truth. You are here just to blend. Must I remind you?
We are the pinnacle you pray to reach. The truth is only the truth to those who believe. Call us atheists if you want to. How can I believe in something that never existed, who never had the courage to construct a con artist in sheep's clothing? I will make wolf of you.
And live a terrible demise, see. Our souls faithfully allow us to possess pure vitality. So, in just speculating, and I'll keep my patience. Like my God, I know I'll always be hated for what they can't comprehend.
Don't make me pull your card, silly rabbit. You are just a hat trick. And I'm her morning and her sunset, and you are just an eclipse. Something that only comes around once a lifetime.
But I am what she wants.
And I am what she needs.
But I'll be if she has both of us.